Hey guys, so today I've got my third Halloween haul of 2023 to show you. Everyone seems to be loving the previous ones so far. I've seen comments saying that you've found some of the items and stuff like that, so that is great. As far as I know, most of these that I'm showing you today are still available if anyone wants them. So we have things from Asda, The Range and TK Maxx and Homesense today. So I'll tell you where each thing was from, I'll tell you how much it is, and we're just gonna get started. So if anyone has seen my previous year's Halloween hauls, you will have seen I got one a little bit similar to this last year from the same place. This is from The Range and it is a garden stake. So it's going to be really hard to show you because it's super long, but basically it is a metal stick. So down here it has this little solar panel and then it's got some cute little ghosts and a sparkly spider and a swirly cobweb bit, and then it's got this big hanging ghost here. This I think was $12.99. It was either $11.99 or $12.99. Like I said, from The Range. It's so cute. Last year I got one that had a big purple bat on the top. This one does actually light up purple. I'm probably not going to be able to show you that very well on camera because the light is not letting this kind of work properly right now, but it's got little lights all wrapped around here. So it basically starts down here and then all around here gets lit up and all inside this little ghosty gets lit up purple as well. So I am just going to put him on my balcony. I don't have really much of an outside, but last year I attached the bat one to the balcony railings and he's done great. He still looks perfect. So they do last really well outside. They are weatherproof and everything like that. So that is the first item. Next, I've got three things from Asda. So the first one is a cute little duvet cover with ghosts on it. I got a king size because I've got a king size bed. This one was £15. It's just a cotton. It is reversible, so on one side it's black and on one side it's grey. You can choose kind of which side you prefer. I do like the black side better because I think the ghosts on the grey side are smaller than the ones on the black side, so the grey one is quite busy. But it comes with two pillowcases and it just looks really cute. It's very similar to one that I got last year, but it was cheap. £15 for a king size duvet cover is great. So I feel like you can't really have too many duvet covers, so that is the first one. And then next to go kind of along with that, it matches, is the little blanket. Now I'm trying my best not to get more blankets because I've got so many of them, but I couldn't resist this one. It is too cute. It's filled with all different kinds of ghosts with different faces, and on one side it's this super fluffy soft, I think it's called Sherpa material or something like that, and then on this side it's like a fleecy material. When I got this it was £11. It's now £12. I think both of those are an okay price. Bit weird that they've put it up, but it keeps selling out and then coming back in stock and it's just gone up in price. So this is now £12 on the website, but if it's out of stock it probably will come back in stock soon. So that is Asda as well. And then the third Asda item that I got is a big cobweb bath mat. Now this could be used as a rug, honestly. There's no need for this just to be a bath mat. Looks like this, black and white. And this was, I think this was £11 as well. It's pretty big, as you can see. I've got to kind of move it across. It says it's 100% cotton. It's 60 by 100 centimeters approximately. So you could definitely use this as just a normal everyday rug in your bedroom or something if you wanted to. I am going to replace one of the ones I got last year in the bathroom though, because it's cream and I washed it and it is no longer cream, it's grey. So that is our new cute little bath mat. Next, I have another thing from The Range. This was online originally and then it went out of stock and I found it in the store, but I think it is back online now. And that is this trick-or-treat little LED sign. It kind of looks like a neon sign. It's got a plastic background and then it's got this rubbery tubing on it which has a orange light in it. I've seen these lit up and they are so bright. This was $24.99, so not the worst. It is quite expensive because it's pretty small, but I've seen these on different websites a lot more expensive. So they have one that says trick or treat, they have one that says creep it real, they have one that says happy Halloween. I think there's also one that says hello pumpkin or something like that. All really cute, all different colours and designs and stuff. So that is a little light that I got. And then the last thing that I got from the range, just when I was at the till, was a little like shopping tote bag kind of thing. It says Haunted Hallows on it, and it's got a little like haunted house and tree and stuff. I think this was like £1 maybe. It doesn't say on it, and I didn't ask, I'm not gonna lie, I just got it with my shopping, but I think it was like £1, £1.50, something like that. And then we get on to the TK Maxx and Homesense items. So like I've said before, here they're kind of the same shop. I don't know if it's the same in America where TJ Maxx and Home Goods are sort of the same or not, but you can find all of these items in both of those stores. And this is one of my favourite things I think I've got from them this year. It is a giant gravestone candle. It is absolutely huge and it's so heavy. I think it's just concrete. I think they've just poured concrete into a mould. And then it's a candle. So the scent of the candle is Midnight Elm. It says it's smoky birch, vetiver and oak blend with pure cedar, white elm, balsamic amber and earthy moss. Not gonna lie, I don't love the scent of it. It is very like mossy and masculine scented. This was $17.99. Hopefully you can see the detailing on it well enough, but it's got like a little skull with wings. It's giving me Avenged Sevenfold logo at the top, and then it says DW Home, RIP, some more little skulls on there and stuff. And then on this side it's kind of the same, but it doesn't have the writing in the middle. So they have this one, and they've also got one that's a sort of more of a coffin shape with cobwebs on it. That one's amazing as well. They're pretty expensive, so I didn't get both of them. I was trying to be good, but yeah, love this one. So that is, I think, my second candle of the year. Then next I got some tea towels from TK Maxx or Homesense. These were $5.99 for a pack of 2, and the brand is Spooky Night, it says. So they are just like a fluffy white on one side, and then this side is black with little ghosts all over it, and it says boo all over it as well, and that is gold. So I just thought they were really cute. Everything seems to have ghosts on it lately, which I love, and my house is being filled with things with ghosts, so I had to get those. Again, I've got very similar ones from last year, but I couldn't resist for $5.99, so that is those. Keeping with the ghost theme, I got a little metal like travel cup kind of thing. I actually don't use these as a travel cup. I just take the lid off and I use these in the house like with a straw or just drinking out of normally. This was pretty expensive. Just for this little cup it was $7.99. I absolutely love the metal cups though, because they keep your drinks hot or cold, so that's fine. It's not perfect. Some of the ghosts are a little misshapen and stuff, but it's still very cute. You probably can't see it on camera, but all of the ghosts have little tiny pink cheeks as well, which is adorable. Very small. Wish it was taller. If this was taller I would have bought like 5 of them. I love it. Has a little lid that has a little slidey part. So again, that was from TK Maxx and Homesense. And then I've just got 3 things left. So the next 2 are very similar. I'll kind of show them together. So I got these 2. One is a little coffin that says trick or treat, and one is a little ghost. Now I thought these were little trinket trays that you like leave next to the sink or the shower to put your rings and stuff in, but actually on the back of them it says that these are spoon rests. I won't be using them as spoon rests, I will be using them as trinket trays, so just a little idea if anyone has got these and doesn't need like multiple spoon rests. These were $3.99 each. They are just like a ceramic little plate. You could use them for anything, honestly. You could even use them as little snack trays. I don't know, loads of different stuff, but yeah, they were again from TK Maxx and Homesense. And for anyone that wants to know the brand of these 2 are from BKLYN Steel Co. So if you're looking for them in a different country online or whatever, BKLYN Steel Co. for those 2. And then the very last thing that I've got to show you, as much as I was trying my best not to buy cups, it's not happening. It is another cup, and I got this one. So this is a white going up into a black ombre. It's black inside. It's got little speckles all over it, and then around the base it's got all different little gravestones, which are so cute and creepy. I love when normal shops have really bizarre creepy items like this, and I had to have it because it's so cute. So yeah, that was everything in my third Halloween haul of 2023. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, a lot of these things are still in the stores and online as well, especially Asda and the range. I think you can pretty much get all of those items still. So if any of you are going to grab those, then please feel free to let me know. Let me know what your favourite thing was. Obviously this isn't going to be my last Halloween haul. I'm still looking and buying things, so there will be more to come. If you're not already, then please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.